Let me show you how to remove watermark from a video. With this method, you can remove watermark, logo, or any kind of unwanted objects from your videos without blur and without losing the video quality, and that is coming up. Okay, as you can see here, I have a video on my desktop. When I play it, you can see there's a huge watermark on it. In order to remove watermark from a video, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a watermark remover software. There are a lot of software that can remove watermark from a video, but in this video I'm going to use this one called Whip It or Wipe It or whatever you want to call it. You can get it from the link given in the video description below, or you can scan the QR code showing up on your screen. So just click on free download and install it into your Windows or Mac computer. After the installation, open it up. Once opened, you can either drag and drop your video like this, or you can click on this plus sign, select your video that has watermark and click on open. Once your video is added, first of all, make sure from this list select AI model and then click on this select area option, and now select the part where the watermark is shown. After that, click on preview, and now wait for the software to remove watermark from your video. This will take a while because this is using AI model. So AI model takes a little bit time, so you have to be patient. Once the watermark is removed, you can preview your video for 5 seconds. So as you can see, now my video doesn't have any watermark on it, and also there's no blur and no video quality loss. Alright, so just close this preview window and then click on export. Name your video whatever you want, then select the location where you want to save your video. So in my case, I am going to save it on my desktop. After that, all you have to do is click on export. Once the exporting process is completed, the folder you selected will open up by itself. So as you can see, and now when you play the video, there should not be any watermark at all. See, this is the video after removing the watermark, and this is the video before. So let me show you side by side. So again, this is the video before, and this is the video after. You can see the difference by yourselves. And also, both of these videos are in 4K quality. So let me show you that. So let's go to properties. As you can see, these both videos are in 4K quality. So yeah, that's how easy it is. So there you have it, guys. That is my video on how to remove watermark from a video. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if this video was helpful to you, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me, so thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.